Imagine buying one pen, and then never having to worry about buying a completely different pen just because you prefer a different refill. That's the idea behind PenN. At first glance, it looks like a beautifully simple, minimalist pen. But the interesting part is hidden inside. Instead of relying on a traditional spring mechanism, PenN uses a precision clamp that grips the refill directly. And according to ANTOU, it's compatible with more than 100 different rollerball refills. So you can choose your favorite brand, your favorite ink, and even your preferred writing feel without changing the entire pen. And swapping refills is surprisingly straightforward. Open the clamp with the cap, insert the refill, twist it into place, and that's it. No tiny springs flying across your desk. No loose parts to lose. Just a simple mechanism designed to hold the tip firmly in position. That also addresses one of the most annoying things about some pens: tip wobble. PenN is designed to keep the refill locked tightly, giving you a more stable and controlled writing experience. And the pen itself is built to stick around. The body is reusable, while the refill is the only part you regularly replace. There's an aluminum version weighing about 31 grams, plus a much lighter 16-gram hardwood version in maple or walnut. Kickstarter-exclusive Oak and Wenge finishes are also available. You can even customize the metal version with different clip colors or add laser engraving. So is PenN just another fancy pen? Maybe, but a pen that lets you choose from 100+ refills, keeps the tip steady, and is designed to last for years. That's a pretty clever idea for something we use every single day.